What's up, YouTube? It's Jeremy here, 630 Bears Den. I got some cards I'd like to sell, trade. Mostly looking for Michael Jordan stuff, anything related to Michael Jordan, including Air Jordans. I prefer vintage, but I do, we'll take some retros. See, I got a couple of Lebron rookies. Topps Chrome. Got his Bowman Chrome. Got some D-Rose Topps Hardwoods. Limited $2.99. Got the white one. Got a couple Durant cards. Durant rookies. Kobe Bryant Topps Chrome Youthquake rookie. Card's nice. Let's see, what do we have here? Adrian Peterson, Mr. MVP this year, Mr. Comeback. X-Fractor rookie, number to 250. Also have a couple Topps Chromes. Got this sick patch Brian Urlacher. Look at that with the Reebok logo. I think it's numbered to like 35. Also have his Bowman rookie auto. Got a couple Bowman Chromes, Bowmans. Got this sick two-color Magic Johnson, Michael Jordan. Magic Johnson, Julius Erving, Larry Bird, rookies. Sick three-color Matt Forte rookie auto patch. Let's see, we got Griffey upper deck. We got this nice and clean Ernie Banks 68 Topps. And we got this extremely clean but a little off-centered 68 Topps Mickey Mantle playing card. So that's what I have for you today. If you got any offers, I'm mostly looking for Michael Jordan stuff right now, or cash is king. Let me know.